everyone to my channel. So this is the second part of the particular topic, which is GS paper 1 syllabus of mains. So in part 1 we covered history and art and culture, but due to lack of time modern history was left. So we will cover modern history in this video, which is the second part. Then geography and society is also there. So geography we'll cover in the third part, and in fourth part we are going to cover society. So of course modern Indian history is there from about the middle of 18th century until the present. 18th century के मिडिल से अभी तक जितने भी significant events हुए हैं, personalities, issues will come in modern Indian history. There is freedom struggle as well. उसके various stages, important contribution from different parts of the country. So basically हमारी country के freedom struggle में different parts का क्या contribution रहा है, that you have to study in details. And this topic is very important from the perspectives of mains. There are some important modern history events also which held before 1857. So we have later Mughals in this, regional powers in 18th century. There are Carnatic wars also, then Battle of Plassey and Buxar, Anglo-Mysore war, Anglo-Punjab war, socio-economic condition of people and European penetration of India, as well as British conquest of India. So here basically when Britishers came to India, तो मुगल्स और उनमें बहुत सारे wars हुए in which as the result British conquest the India. Now after that there were British policies also, their impact, basically their effects on our country, economic, administrative and socio-culture reform movements were also there. Then uprisings against British pre 1857. So Britishers ने कुछ policies बनाए, तो हमारी country पे उनका क्या effect impact पड़ा, that will come here. Then movements are also there, reform movements. Then British pre 1857 के खिलाफ जितने भी uprisings हैं, everything here, like उसके against जितने भी uprisings हैं, everything will come here. Now revolt of 1857, very important topic from the perspectives of both prelims and mains. Here about the causes, leaders and nature of revolt of 1857, suppression of revolt of 1857, what were the consequences of it. There was Act of Good Governance also of 1858. So basically what caused revolt of 1857, who were the leaders, about them, then nature of it, then suppression of it, how was it basically suppressed, about the consequences of it. Then there was Good Governance Act also, which was in 1858, about it. We have growth of nationalism in India 1858 से लेकर 1905 तक. So all the political, economic and administrative unification of the country, role of Western education, role of press was also there, rediscovery of India's past, very important. Early political movements were also there. Then formation of INC, which is formation of Indian National Congress, everyone knows. Then era of moderates, here moderates are also very important. So here in role of Western education, basically what was the impact, we can say what was the effect of Western culture on our country, on Indian education basically. This is also very important. There is administrative unification of the country also. So how the unification of our country was done. And then role of press, rediscovery of India's past. Then early political movements, again there were a lot of movements so about them. Then इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का कैसे फॉर्मेशन हुआ था, ठीक है, और उसके फॉर्मेशन के बारे में, अबाउट इट, हाउ वाज इट फॉर्म्ड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ INC ओवर हियर, एंड एरा ऑफ मॉडरेट्स एज आई अर्ली टोल्ड यू. We have growth of militant nationalism and the revolutionary activities 1905 से 1918 तक की. So we have Swadeshi and boycott movement, Surat split, international influence was also there, Monumental reforms and growth of communalism. So here we can see growth of communalism. Now this is the topic which you will find, find something related to this particular topic in the topic which is society, which we are going to cover in the fourth part of this video. Okay, in third part we will cover geography. So here communalism is there, so we will cover communalism in the the society wala part. Okay, then towards freedom and partition, जो कि 1939 से 1947 तक था. Now this is very important. In this we have national movements during World War II, August offer, individual satyagraha, growth of communalism. As I said, ये वाला topic we will find in society also. Present movements, there were movements also. Then state people struggle. So very important topic this is, which is towards freedom and partition. So here basically you have to study about the freedom of our country, how we got the freedom from Britishers. Then country का partition भी हुआ था, that is also very important, which you have to study about. Next here we have is Cripps mission, Quit India movement, we have Wavell plan, INAN Subhash Chandra Bose, about him, everything about him. Cabinet mission was also there. Nationalist upsurge post World War II. Then independence with partition. Then here is independence with partition. This is very important. So about our country got freedom on 1947 on 15 August, and as I said, partition was also done. So about it, this is very important, and you will find it interesting also. So I would suggest you to study about this topic as much as you can. And that was it in modern history. So we have completed everything in history, everything in art and culture. Just geography and society is left, that we are going to cover in the upcoming parts. So till then, take care, stay safe and stay updated. Bye bye.